The astringent quality present in cucumber juice, coupled with the cooling properties of Multani Mitti, not only reduce dark circles, but also soothe any puffiness around the eyes. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY for oily skin. You will need ½ teaspoon of cucumber juice. Cucumber contains vitamin E and vitamin C, both of which help to brighten your complexion. ½ teaspoon of mint leaves juice. It helps to improve blood circulation and prevent free radical damage caused to the skin. In return, it slows down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Say hello to smoother, softer skin you can embrace confidently. Multani Mitti 1 teaspoon. It helps open up clogged pores and absorbs excess sebum from the skin. According to one study, Multani Mitti removes dirt and absorbs excess oil. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over your face and neck after 15 minutes, then wash with plain water.